Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside with me, your host. I'm here at Reading Green Park, Reading's latest station, and as of 2 hours ago, the newest station in the UK as well. So I've got my coffee, got my ticket. Let's go see what's inside. Yeah. Okay, got the toilets, nice and clean. Here is platform 1. Platform 2 as well, so Reading's up that way. Stoke is down that way. It's pretty empty at the moment. It is only 8:30 in the morning. I couldn't be bothered to wake up and get the first train here out of Reading at 10 to 6, but 8 o'clock was fine. Just about. There we have it. Reading Green Park. Britain's latest station. As of when this video was filmed. That's what's inside. See you in the next episode.